it is important that you take the necessary precautions to prepare for any hurricane or disaster around this time. And it has been extremely hot. I don't like when I think about earthquake. I don't like it. Last year, I thought about the earthquake in October and it came. Listen, we have to be prepared and know what to do when there is a hurricane or storm threat, or well, earthquakes don't give any warnings more than the extreme heat. And so it has been extremely hot. um, Even just sweating, changing clothes during the day, it's like wow.